Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Reversible versus the irreversible inhibitors. So what is included in reversible? It binds via the non-covalent. So it binds via the non-covalent interaction, and in irreversible it binds via the covalent interaction. So reversible is non-covalent. In irreversible it is a covalent. In reversible there is no chemical change in the reversible, and irreversible inhibitor binds to the substrate and prevents the catalytic enzyme of the activity. So irreversible, the catalytic enzyme activity is prevented. Then comes reversible inhibitors can be reversed as there is no bonding between the inhibitor and the substrate. So reversible, there is no bonding, and irreversibility due to the strong covalent bonding. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.